Exercise 7.1 question number 6. We proceed on to problems based on rate of change. Here a stone is dropped in a pond. When we drop a stone, we will see ripples like this way. So which is looking like a concentric circle. The question says radius equal to r. Rate of radius, when I read it, I will understand dr by dt equal to 2 centimeters per second. Radius is 5 centimeter. I will understand r equals to 5 centimeter. So radius is 5 tells me r is 5. Rate at which the radius is changing or increasing, it is dr by dt. The question is total area. What is area? Area of a circle. So it represents a circle. It keeps on increasing. Area of a circle formula pi r square. When I want the rate of change of area, I need to find out dA by dt. Pi being the coefficient, keep it as it is. R square will become 2r dr by dt. Remember, x square will become 2x. Y square will become 2y. A square will become 2a. In all that, put the variable by dt. So if it is x square, it will become 2x dx by dt. If it is y square, 2y dy by dt. Here it is r square, so 2r dr by dt. Just substitute all that is given in the problem. What is all given? dA by dt equals pi as it is, 2 as it is. What is r value? 5. dr by dt is 2. So 2 pi as it is, r value is 5. dr by dt is 2. Just multiply and write the answer. 2 into 2, 4 into 5, 20 pi. Area is centimeter square per time in seconds. So my answer is 20 pi centimeter square per second. Exercise 7.1 question number 7. A beacon makes one revolution every 10 seconds. It is located on a ship which is anchored at 5 km from a straight shoreline. So we can mark the straight shoreline. A beacon drawn here which is 5 km from the shoreline. How fast is the beam moving along the shoreline? So how fast is it moving? So this I want. So take this as x. And my question is how fast it is moving. So dx by dt is my question. How am I to do it? What is the extra condition given? When it makes an angle of 45 with a shoreline. That is when theta is 45. What is dx by dt is my question. First line tells one revolution. That is one complete circle. One complete circle is 360 degrees or I will say 2 pi radians. Take theta as 2 pi radians and time taken is 10 seconds for one revolution. Thirefore, at 1 second, d theta by dt we say the rate of change of angle with respect to time. d theta by dt is 2 pi by 10, simplifying which I get pi by 5. From the diagram, tan theta is opposite by adjacent, that is x by 5, cross multiplying x is equal to 5 tan theta. My question is how fast it is moving. So dx by dt equal to question mark when theta is 45 or change it as radian, that is pi by 4. Given theta is pi by 4, find dx by dt. Call this as number 1, differentiating 1 with respect to t. X will become dx by dt. 5 as it is, tan theta will become secant square theta. Tan will become secant square. Theta will become d theta by dt. So in rate problems, apply the differentiation formula and then Whatever is the variable given, by dt will come. X becomes dx by dt. Y becomes dy by dt. Theta becomes d theta by dt. Substitute all the values that we know. Dx by dt equals to 5 as it is. Secant square. Theta value is pi by 4. D theta by dt as we got it is pi by 5. We can cancel 5 and 5. We are left with pi into cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Secant pi by 4 will be root 2. Root 2 the whole square. Or my answer is 2 pi. And what is the unit? X is in kilometers per. T is in seconds. So the answer is 2 pi kilometers per second. Exercise 7.1 question number 8. A conical water tank with vertex down. So we draw vertex down. Height is 12 and radius is 5. Water flows at a rate of. So at a rate, flows at a rate tells me it is dV by dt. Because water gets filled in, that is the capacity or volume. Rate given, it is dV by dt, rate of change of volume. How fast is the depth of water moving? When the water is 8 meter deep. So when h is equal to 8, the height is 8. The question we have to find out. First thing what is given, it is a fixed cone. Because the water tank's capacity cannot be changed. Only rising water will change. So we can fix it. R by H is equal to 5 by 12. If my question is about H, find out R in terms of H. If my question is about R, find out H in terms of R. Here my question is depth of water. So my question is about H. So R I don't want. What is R from here? Cross multiplying 5H by 12. Now it is all about volume, the capacity of a cone. What is volume of a cone? Pi by 3 R square H. V equals pi by 3. In the place of R, I can substitute 5H by 12. The whole square into H. Pi by 3, 25 by 144. H square into H is H cube. This is volume in terms of H. But we need to know how fast is the depth of water moving. dH by dt is my question. So differentiating with respect to t. V will become dV by dt. Pi by 3, 25 by 144 into H cube will become 3H square dH by dt. What is all given? Let us substitute. What is dV by dt from here? Water flows at a rate of 10 cubic meter per minute. So this is 10 cubic meter per minute. H is equal to depth of water when the water is 8 meter deep. So H is equal to 8. This height of water is 8. And dH by dt is the question. As we substitute, dV by dt I can put 10 pi by 3, 25 by 144 into 3. This 3 and 3 we can cancel. H square. 8 square dH by dt we don't know. From this, what is dH by dt? Cross multiply. 10 into 144 divided by 25 into 8 square is 64. As we cancel and simplify, there is a pi. Do not forget, it will come down. As we cancel and simplify, we get 9 by 10 pi and it is about height. So what is the unit we say? H is in meters and time is in minutes. So my answer is 9 by 10 pi meters per minute. Basic formula to remember: volume of a cone pi by 3 r square h. R in terms of h, as I differentiate dh by dt, dv by dt, we mustn't forget, substitute the values and final answer h by t, meters per minute. Question number 9, exercise 7.1. A ladder, look at this, a ladder is leaning against a wall and a floor. As the base of the ladder, this is the base, as the base of the ladder is pulled away from, as the base of the ladder is pulled away, the height is also changing. So when the base of the ladder is 8 from the wall, how fast is the top of the ladder is moving down, and what the area, what is the rate of the area formed by the ladder, wall and the floor is changing. How shall we start with a problem? Consider the flooring, this distance as x, and the wall, the distance as y. The ladder, it is something like this, no change in the length of the ladder which is fixed. Now this is a right angle triangle. If I call it as O, A and B, it's a right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem. What does Pythagoras theorem say? X square plus y square equal to 17 square. And what is all given to us when it is given like this way? Differentiate with respect to t, because we are changing the ladder's position. As I am changing with respect to time, the base changes in length, the height also changes in length. So as I differentiate, x square becomes 2x dx by dt, y square becomes 2y dy by dt, 17 square is a constant which becomes 0. I need to know what is all this. There are 4 things: x dx by dt, y dy by dt. From the question, see what is all given. Ladder length 17 meter, we have fixed. Base of the ladder is pulled away from the wall at a rate. So base away. So base is changing. Rate of base. Base we have taken x. So rate of that means dx by dt equals to, from the question, dx by dt is 5. When the base of the ladder is 8 from the wall, the base length we have taken x, so x is equal to 8. How fast is the top of the ladder? So dy by dt is the question. Let us substitute in this and find out that. Before that, I need to know what is y. My question is only dy by dt. Put x is equal to 8 here and find what is y. When x is equal to 8, 64 plus y square equals 289, or y square is 289 minus 64, that is 225. Y equals 15. Consider only positive symbol as it is height. So I get y equals 15 from here. Put all this in first equation. So first equation implies 2 into x value 8, dx by dt 5, 2 into y value 15, dy by dt we don't know, that is equal to 0. So from here 30 dy by dt equals 2 5s are 10, 8s are 80, goes to the other side as minus 18, or dy by dt equals minus 8 by 3. See, this is the diagram for the ladder. When the base is pulled away, the height is decreasing. This is the ladder. When the base is pulled away, the height is decreasing. So minus symbol tells the height is decreasing. top of the ladder moves down at 8 by 3 meters per second. Second part of the question is area. How does it change? Look at the diagram. This is X and this is Y. It's a triangle. What is area of the triangle? Half base into height. That is XY. So area of triangle equals to half base into height. Or I can write A equals to half XY. When I differentiate with respect to T, A will become dA by dt. And right hand side half will come as it is. X will be kept as it is. Y will become dy by dt. Plus keep Y as it is. X will become dx by dt. Remember, there are two terms. Keep the first term, differentiate the second term. Plus keep the second term, differentiate the first term. Keep X, Y will become dy by dt. Plus keep Y, X will become dx by dt. Again, substitute the values. What is X value? 8. Y value 15. dx by dt. We have got dx by dt as 5. dy by dt. Already we got that as minus 8 by 3. Substitute everything here. Find out dA by dt. Half into X value 8. dy by dt minus 8 by 3. Y value 15. dx by dt 5. Simplify the answer. dA by dt equals half into minus 64 by 3 plus 75. Taking LCM, let us simplify the answer. We get 161 by 6. Again, what is the unit? Area. Area by time. So, time is in seconds. Area in meter square. So, meter square per second is the answer. If possible, divide and write out the answer. 26.83 meter square per second. A quick rough through of the problem. The equation for the right angle triangle diagram is important. We have drawn ladder, wall and floor. X square plus y square equal to 17 square. As we differentiate, just write what all we know using Pythagoras theorem. Find out y value. We find out dy by dt. When I come to area, it is half xy. Half base into height. And as we differentiate dA by dt, we have found out. Substitute everything that we know. And we get dA by dt is 26.83 or else 161 by 6 meter square per second. That is the answer. Exercise 7.1 question number 10. A police jeep approaching an orthogonal intersection from the northern direction. So, police jeep is proceeding from the north. It is chasing a speeding car which is moving towards east. Car is moving towards east. So, jeep comes from the north, car goes towards the east. Jeep is 0.6 kilometers. So, the distance is 0.6. When the car is increasing at 20, this increasing at 20 tells me distance between the jeep and the car. So if I consider this as x and this as y, let me consider the distance between the car and the jeep z. So dz by dt is given as 20. So when the jeep is towards, the car is increasing at a rate of 20. So dz by dt is 20. The jeep is moving at 60 tells me dy by dt is 60. Then what only is the question? What is the speed of the car? Dx by dt is the question mark. How to find it? So what all I have read out? Y value 0.6, x value, x is equal to 0.8. So given x, y dz by dt, dy by dt. We need to find what is dx by dt. As we read from the question, let us mark what all we know. Distance of car, we have taken x, that is 0.8. Speed of the car, we don't know, put question mark. Distance of jeep as given in the question, 0.6. Speed of the jeep as given, it is 60. And distance between the car and jeep, we don't know, we have to find it. But dz by dt is given, which is 20. Put the units as given in the question. Jeep is coming downward. So the speed we have to put minus symbol. Whereas this distance is increasing given. So put only plus symbol. There are two question marks. How to proceed with? So let us have two sections. It's a right angle triangle. What is the connection? X square plus y square equal to z square. Applying. What is x value? 0.8 the whole square. Y value 0.6 the whole square equal to z square. 0.64 plus 0.36 equal to z square, or we get z square equals to 1.00, z is equal to 1. Having known what is x, y and z, let us differentiate the same equation. X square plus y square equal to z square, differentiating with respect to t. X square becomes 2x dx by dt, y square becomes 2y dy by dt, z square becomes 2z dz by dt. All the 2's we can cancel. Substitute all that we know. X value 0.8, dx by dt we don't know. Y value 0.6, dy by dt minus 60. Z value 1, dz by dt is 20. Simplifying this answer, 0.8 dx by dt equals to 20. This minus goes to the right side as plus. 60 into 0.6, 36, that is 56. So dx by dt equal to 56 divided by 0.8. Or it is 70 kilometers per hour. So the car is proceeding towards the east at a speed of 70 kilometers per hour. Take and write the answer. The car moves at 70 kilometers per hour towards the east.